Welcome guys. Welcome to Daily Crypto Trading. Today we're going to do a follow-up TA of POLKADOT. We hit our target perfectly, guys. We were anticipated a level of $54, which we hit. We actually overextended and hit $55. Matter of fact, guys, go to my channel and check my last video about POLKADOT. I believe it was around 3 weeks ago, almost 4 weeks ago, I made the TA of POLKADOT. And yeah, guys, patience is key. I know a lot of people didn't trust in this TA, but we did hit our target, and we were talking about POLKADOT when it was, I bought POLKADOT at $5, but in my Telegram group, as you guys can also join, it is free. I'm teaching brand new traders to trade. Anyway, guys, we were talking about in my Telegram group about POLKADOT when it was around $39, something like that. So we gain around, how much did we gain? Yeah, around almost 40% gains so far. Alright guys, again, check my video for yourself and see the TA for yourself. The next question is, where are we going from here? Well guys, let's do a follow-up TA of POLKADOT and go straight into it. If you look at the formation of POLKADOT, we can see POLKADOT is making something what we call a falling wedge, which is a continuation pattern for our upside, right? The only thing we need to see is a breakout and a confirmation for that. But to this happen, we also need volume. Volume is not that impressive, sorry. It's not that impressive. It's what we want to see it going a bit sideways and then increase. That would be great for POLKADOT, right? So that is the first thing we need to look at. If we look at the RSI, I'm not seeing any bearish or bullish divergence. Is fine. Is at the moment at the 50 area, and when it is the 50 area, it means it's turning up for a uptrend. If you've been following my channel, you guys know about this. You know I really do care about the 50 area. I care about the oversold area and the overbought area. Oversold, overbought, and the 50 area, guys. So at the moment it's at the 50 area, which is fine at the moment for POLKADOT. If you look at the RSI stock, it is getting oversold. That is perfect. If you guys can see right over here, it's getting oversold. That is perfect. That means it wants to bounce back, right? And that is where we want to see a breakthrough, right? So at the moment we need to see a breakthrough, and also need to go against above this resistance level. You guys see this red over right here. Let me show you all this. Yeah, this is the resistance. We need to go above that. So we need to do a higher high, right? Once we do what we call a higher high, that is the perfect H. Yeah, higher high, and we do not go down above this, right? This yellow area, which is the fib level of 0.382. That means we have a confirmation for uptrend. So this is important. Keep an eye on that, guys. All right. If you look at something else, if you look at the TSV, nothing impressive. The MACD is making crossover, which is looking good. All right, guys. So overall, in forward chart, this trade is looking good. At the moment, we were in a price discovery. So let me show you something else, guys. All right. If you've been seeing my video from last time, you know I clearly said we need to go above the old all-time high. Then we will be in price discovery. And my friends, we were in price discovery. All right. So what now? Look how TA just worked, guys. This red line you guys are seeing here, that is the old all-time high, and now it is using its old all-time high as a support. All right. So this is what we call a demand zone also, which is a support zone in TA. So it can of course go lower than that. If Bitcoin decides to say bye Felicia and correct itself, right? It just goes down. It will drag all the altcoins down, and of course it will drag POLKADOT down with it. So what I will do personally, I will DCA my way down. Look, I bought the POLKADOT at $5, so I'm all good. But I am also doing short-term trading. So yeah. But if it goes down, I will buy a new bag around 42, 41, and around $40. This will be my buy zone area. This will be my demand zone area, as we call it in TA. All right. So at the moment, I believe this is looking great. The only thing which can concern me is, if you look at the daily chart, this was the 4-hour chart, right? If you look at the daily chart, it is getting oversold. As you guys see, it needs to cool off. This is what I do not like, because usually that means that it will just crash down, correct fast. I don't like that. I rather see it slow, something like that, go sideways like that, and then jump on, because then the RSI stock will also do the same thing, right? So that will be great for my trade, especially for my trade. So right now we are waiting for our confirmation, guys, for our continuation for uptrend, right? We need, there we go, I just messed that up. We need to see that the candlestick cross over this in the daily, right? And use it as and retest it, hold the line and get ready for explosion. Then we also need more volume. At the moment, again, volume not that impressive, but we need to see that this gets break through this resistance and this trend line. Then we have a confirmation when it's retest, then it will look better for a trade. If we look at the FIB level, you guys know, if you follow my channel, I love to use this FIB level, which is not this FIB level, this FIB tools, which is called a trend-based FIB extension, right? So if we look at that, you guys can see I already made it right there. Here we can see that our target, all right, our first target will be around, well, that's not the biggest target, it's just the all-time high, will be around $54, $55. Once we are above that, that is a confirmation. Then we again in a price discovery, and our second target will most likely be, let me just show you, oh, that was quite annoying, will be around, yeah, the $63, and our third target will be $77. All right, so that is around some gains. Let me see, the first gains will be around, yeah, around $10. The second will be around 25, and the third target will be around, yeah, 52% gains. All right, so you can, of course, every time you go up at these stages, you can of course sell your bag slowly, or you can just keep holding. It depends on your strategy. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. It's up to you what you do. This is just what I see personally. All right, and again, if Bitcoin correct and drag Polkadot down, I will fill my bags again, because that is a buying opportunity in my opinion. We of course also need to look at the crypto fear and greed index in crypto. At the moment we are in 71 in greed. That is never good, because then people will slowly sell off. And last month we were in extreme greed, as you guys remember. All right, then now we have been in a greed. We have not been in fear mode yet, or fear stage yet. So be cautious, guys, because this can happen. People can just sell their bags and then will be in fear, right? You usually sell in greed and buy in fear, all right, guys? When we're in a fear mode, I will just buy. When we're in fear, I usually just buy, because then I hold, and then patience is key, right? I remember when I did the TA of Polkadot, people were saying it didn't hit $54 and so on. I was like, look, patience is key, and remember, TA is only probability, guys. TA is nothing but a probability and a tool. Is no guarantee. Remember that, all right, guys? Also, again, look at the Bitcoin price. Also, guys, if you look at the total market cap without Bitcoin, is looking good. We're in an uptrend. Remember, if goes here and holds support, fine. Here, holds resist, this is fine, as long as it doesn't go down something like this, right? Something like this, and then just crash down. That means people are taking liquidity, money out of the game, right? So just remember that. If we look at the Bitcoin dominance, Ethereum dominance, altcoin dominance, and stablecoin dominance, I've been talking about this almost in every single of my video, guys. Be cautious with this one also. Once Bitcoin dominance fall, altcoins and Ethereum dominance will raise. That just means doesn't mean that Bitcoin price is just falling, right? And the altcoins is just increasing. It just means that altcoins and Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin in performance, which is great, because that means we get more money. People, this is just money moving, all right? You're just moving money to other altcoins, Bitcoin, and so on. I have been showing this since I began with my trading channel, guys. If you don't know about this, just look at some of my videos. Also, if again, you're brand new to crypto or trading, you guys are welcome in my channel. I will never ever take money from you guys, so please do not fall for these scams, which are sometime in my comment section. Everything I do is for free, so is my Telegram group, guys. So join the Telegram group. We have been killing it. Look, these people are brand new traders and are learning to do TA, all for free, guys. Thanks for watching, and if you guys like my content, hit a like button, hit a subscribe button, alert button, and yeah, guys, see you in the Telegram group.